doing? Neil Manis with EZG Manufacturing. Here to show you a couple tips with splitting some retaining wall block and caps using the new Krack Hog precision splitter. One thing that we want to show here is again the easy height adjustment. You might be used to splitting a 6-inch block, but you pull the pin and drop it down when you're ready to split your cap. So what I want to show you on this one is proper splitting technique. Basically, you want to make sure you have splitting material all the way out to the edge of these springs. That way it'll allow you a nice clean split and won't break off. You cannot shave off little pieces with a splitter. It's not a saw, it is a splitter. So you will need to have material on each side of the blade for it to split. When you're splitting, you can do the small piece. Again, quick height pedal up to the table, and make sure you have the blade as tight as possible up there. Sit on that pedal for a little bit with your foot just to make sure the pressure comes up. Until you're split, open the table up. And again, you can see a piece roughly about 1.5 inches would be the size, about a minimum that you could get with a cap or a block. Pavers, if you do pavers, you could probably get down to about a 3/4 of an inch split because they're a little bit denser. I want to show you that you can do a 45 cut on here. So basically, wherever you place the material on the table, you can make a cut. Again, go up. Do your split. And again, that produces a nice, clean, angled cut on there. The splitter is designed again to do different material. So take it up to the 6-inch. Right there. And some blocks, such as this one, have a splitting groove to split the back off. Basically, put it into the groove. Bring the table up. Do your split. And that pops off the back of the material for the block. So just a couple tricks and tips with the block splitter for splitting retaining wall block and caps.